Hi there, and welcome to All About Materials and Engineering. The name says it's all. This channel is dedicated to providing informative and educational videos on a wide range of materials and engineering topics. At All About Material and Engineering, our goal is simple: deliver quality engineering education, clear up misconceptions, spark a passion of engineering, and simplify complex technology so that they are easy to understand. Let's go into our video today. In this video, we are going to see about adjustable fillet weld gauge. Adjustable fillet weld gauge is an essential inspection tool for weld quality control and dimension verification. The main purpose of this gauge is used to measure the leg length and throat thickness of the fillet to ensure it meets the design and the code requirement. The main features are adjustable design, which is used to slide scales or adjustable arm, allowing measurements of multiple weld size, enable both convex and concave fillet weld profile. Measurement capabilities is that it is measures leg length, throat thickness, weld size, and profile angle. Typically covers sizes from 1 by 8 inch to 1 inch, that is 3 mm to 25 mm and even longer. The construction of the weld gauge is made up of stainless steel for corrosion resistance on long life services. It is compact, pocket size, and supplied with a proactive cases of field use. It is easy to use. A simple thumb screw or locking lever to fix the adjustable slide of the desired size can be used directly to the weld bead. The accuracy of the gauge is precision of plus or minus 0.5 mm to depending upon the model. It is designed to provide quick, reliable, and repeatable measurements during the inspection. This adjustable fillet weld gauge is used as offset arm that slides at a 45-degree angle to make a fillet weld length measurements. You can simply adjust the arm until it touches the vertical leg of the weld. The gauge is also used to measure the weld throat by adjusting a pointer in the position as shown in the photograph for future reference. If the weld is in concave, more filler material can be added to build the weld throat up to the standard. This weld fillet adjustment gauge used to check both leg length and weld throat thickness for the weld thickness. The main advantages of this gauge covers a wide range of weld size with one tool, reduce the need to carry multiple fixed gauges, provides more accurate and versatile measurements, useful for on-site inspection in difficult such areas. Our mission is to explain concepts in a way that not only helps you grasp them better, but also makes them easier to remember. If you are ready to learn, grow, and explore the world of engineering with us, make sure you like, subscribe, and stay connected. Together, let us make engineering simple, exciting, and fun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. See you in the next video.